In this video, we are going to see how to find LinkedIn profile URLs from names and company names in Google Sheet. I have a column with a column for company names and a column for leads name in my Google Sheet. To start, click here to access the file options. The first option is to click on File to open the File menu. Then download the file as a CSV. Click the link in the video description that redirects to LinkFinder AI's website. Switch to the LinkFinder AI website where you can create a free account. On LinkFinder AI, click here to begin finding LinkedIn profile URLs from names and company names. Select the PR Upload CSV bulk option to upload your CSV file for bulk processing. Click Select File to choose your CSV file containing the names and companies. Click Process 6 items to start processing each entry individually to find LinkedIn profile URLs. Click here to download the result as a CSV file. Switch back to your Google Sheet to prepare for importing the results. Click File again to open the File menu in Google Sheets. Click Import to start importing data into your sheet. Click Import again. Select Replace to replace the current sheet with the new data. Click Import to import the LinkedIn profile URLs into your Google Sheet. Here we can see the LinkedIn profiles URLs. Another way to enrich leads LinkedIn URL with LinkFinder AI in Google Sheet is to set up an automation with Zapier, Make, or N8N.